I just got back from a 3.5-mile run and I'm a little bit spent. It is humid, it is hot, but it feels very, very good. So I got the knees iced, as you can see. And here's a little tip. When you're dealing with exercise of any kind, for those of you who are ready to step it up, I'm feeling all right, but this is just a precaution. Sometimes you can overwork yourself and push yourself pretty hard. But the important thing to remember in situations like that is that it's all in your head about how you feel. The important thing to do is to not let yourself be a victim to how you feel. Super, super important. You get out, you do what you got to do, get plenty of sunlight, keep going. In the Roman times, what they would do if you were sick is they would give you plenty of sunlight. Unlike today's doctors that put you in a cold, dark room and with green, slimy-looking walls and do pretty much nothing but give you a lot of medications. Now, doctors are great, but sometimes, so for some of this stuff, they're just not going to cut it.